Hi, I'm attorney David Ienna with Fairmax Law. A situation I see more often than you might think is someone starting a home renovation and then realizing the costs are getting out of control. If you're mid-renovation and considering bankruptcy, here's what you need to know. First, any money you've already spent on renovations becomes part of your home's value. That can affect how much equity you have, which matters a lot in bankruptcy. The court looks at the home's current condition, even if the work isn't finished yet. Second, if you've signed contracts with contractors or taken out renovation loans or used credit cards to fund the project, those debts must be disclosed. Bankruptcy can often eliminate unsecured renovation debt, like credit cards or personal loans used for construction. However, mechanics liens are different. If a contractor has properly filed a lien against your property, bankruptcy won't automatically remove it. Those liens usually survive and stay attached to the home. If the renovation isn't finished, bankruptcy may pause collection efforts and give you time to decide whether completing the project makes financial sense or whether stepping back is the better option. Timing and planning are critical here. At Fairmax Law, we help homeowners navigate bankruptcy during renovations so you can protect your home, avoid surprises, and move forward with confidence.